I'm Bill.
And I'm Bogna.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to MotoAmerica 2021, where today we have a special grid walk for you guys. The Superbike races are up, and I have to tell you how excited I am. So, as a fan myself, MotoAmerica's allowed us to come through and do a little grid walk, talk to some of the racers. I try to stay out of the way, but I know a few people. So we're gonna get the Star Spangled Banner here in a second, so stay tuned. But let's start the grid walk. Let's say hello to some of the riders and then get out of the way and watch the race, because Ducati is up on top in the first podium.
Who are you rooting for today?
I got to go with Tony Elias and Loris Baz, of course, are Ducatis, but Loris Baz has just been amazing today. But we can't discount Jake Gagne, because Jake Gagne has dominated this year, but for some reason, Loris Baz has done a very amazing job today at WeatherTech Raceway. So without further ado, let's get through the grid walk before the Star Spangled Banner and then watch the race. All right, you guys, well, we're getting out on grid, and we'll start right up front with Jake Gagne up in the #1 position on the Fresh and Lean R1. Jake Gagne's just absolutely dominated this year, so very, very amazing. But let's not discount #2, Loris Baz, the Ducati V4R, so amazing. He's obviously staying cool over here, Loris Baz. My #1 today. Now, Cam Peterson is done very well, #3 position today. And then, of course, we have our national anthem, so stand by. You guys, well, there we are, officially getting ready to start. Now, Jack Roach's teammate, well, I guess Matthew Skolt's teammate, Jack Roach, Matthew Skolt's in #4 position today, and he's on the absolutely beautiful Westby Racing R1. Back to Josh Herring, excuse me, in the #5 position on the other Fresh and Lean R1. Back to our very first BMW. Very nice to see BMW on the grid. And then let's see if we can get a little fist bump from Bobby Fong. Bobby Fong is on the M4 Suzuki #50. And he's expected to do some great things. And of course, my favorite, my #1 today, Tony Elias on Kyle Wyman's Ducati V4R. Just amazing. So we will be here for the track day on Monday. I hope to be able to ride with Tony Elias one more time And I don't know, maybe I can get him to steal my Ducati this time, but very nice. So if you guys don't know, Kyle Wyman is injured, so Tony Elias is taking his spot. But Jason Uribe, long time, sir. How are you guys? Good? I remember him when he was just a little one, man. Growing up so fast, just like Jack Roach.
It's going to be an exciting day of racing. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the broadcast.
Over here to Corey. Very nice.
Here we are.
And then another Yamaha RRR on the grid. Bryce Prince back. And I think he's running the Super Sport. Very, very large grid, you guys. I can't even just, it's so tough to say hello to everybody. But just so cool to be down here. You know, some of these guys I've known and I've seen race. Another Wyman on the Motul BMW S1000R, hoping to do big things coming up in the Super, I think they're calling it the Super Sport or the Super Stock. Mr. Lee has been here for some time. Good to see him back on the grid. Sir, you're not on the bike today, huh?
No, just working.
No, working today. So the Super Stock 1000s, we're getting back in the Lewis. And then heading back to the back, Wyatt Ferris. You guys may remember him last year, AFM champion, back up in the very first. And then to the back of the grid, saying hello to these guys. Good luck, you guys, back here. And it's so amazing to be out here again. A huge shout out to MotoAmerica for allowing me to do this grid walk because, like I said, I'm just a fan like you guys, and to be able to be down here and bring you guys this firsthand is very, very cool. It's very, very nice that they've allowed me to do this. So guys, please give MotoAmerica a like. Let's get this video some views. We really need to bring back MotoAmerica to the States. It's just, I'm actually very happy with the turnout here at MotoAmerica this year, here at Laguna Seca. There are a lot of fans, so thank you guys. If you guys have watched the race, or you guys are here, make sure you hit that like button. But we're gonna make our way out of everyone's way. Tony Elias, good luck. And let's get the race started and see how this thing goes. I'm gonna go my pick. I think Loris Baz is gonna take this one personally. I think Gagne is gonna be there battling with him. And I don't know, Skoltz or hopefully Fong will come back up and make a little appearance, but I'm gonna go with Baz for the win. But let's get this start and see how it goes. All right, there goes the flag, you guys. Lights are about to come on. Lights are on. Way to go. You guys, listen, the start this close to the grid is just crazy. You can, she got goosebumps. You can feel it rumbling through you. So let's pick this back up, and I think let's go to the podium.
Yes.
So we've got VIP passes, so we can get anywhere you guys want. So we're gonna probably be up in the podium for you guys for 1, 2, and 3. All right, our final pick. I'm gonna go with Loris Baz, Gagne, and I'm gonna say Josh Herring.
Think that?
Those are my 3 picks. What do you got? Those are good picks. Let's see how it ends. See you at the final podium.
One of Superbikes never fails to deliver. And what about it? Come on, winner to race one. Your race one winner, Cali Moto. The Warhorse HSB Major Catty is now put into position. Here comes the M4 X-Star Suzuki of Cameron Peterson. So not only 3 manufacturers on the podium, 3 nationalities as well. The United States, France and South Africa. So the USA are sitting pretty, and Gagne extends the lead at the top of the championship. Be interested to see what Loris Baz has to say about that. He was matching Gagne's time. Had it been for a bit better start, they would have been running together, but that was a strong performance.
All right, you guys, so we are here
What about it? He was
at
last year in World Superbike, and he's back on the podium. Loris Baz.
Loris Baz finished second. It's just basically the standard. So Gagne, Loris Baz, and then of course Cam Peterson coming third. Three manufacturers, Ducati doing very well. I think we're coming up, so tomorrow's going to be a good race. So I'll give you guys a little bit more footage, but thank you guys for sticking around. Do the normal, hit the like button, subscribe. Stay tuned because we've got more grid walks. We're going to be out for the Twin Cups next, so stay tuned. But thank you guys for sticking around.